with Pectus, a visible heartbeat is very easy to see. You know, when I do cardio, and sometimes my heart beats up like the 180 beat per minute, and I look down, I can see my heart just pulsing right in here, right in around the indent. And now, to be honest, Pectus is in severe cases sometimes associated with heart problems. So definitely, if you haven't and you're worried, get a scan, get it checked out, make sure you don't have any heart problems. Now, if you don't, then this visible heartbeat shouldn't be something to be concerned about. It's just your heart beating. And because of the way of the indent, you might just see it a bit more prominent than if you didn't have Pectus. Now, but I understand why it can cause an alarm, because for me, I was like, oh, is that normal? But yes, it is. Just with Pectus, it's a bit more prominent. And to be honest, you should be pushing yourself and doing cardio and fitness to the point where you are seeing it beating fast, because that means you're training your heart, you're training your fitness. And you know, for me, it's been really cool to see. I track my resting heart rate as I sleep, and it's been really cool to see, since I've been implementing more cardio into my training over the last couple of years, my resting heart rate has dropped over 10 beats per minute. So what that means is that my heart is more efficient. So per beat, it pumps out more blood. So it just means I'm a healthier, more optimal, fit human, which is what hopefully you as a Pectus warrior also want to achieve. So start doing cardio, start eating and living in a healthy way if you're all cleared from your doctor, and it's only going to help. It's only going to help improve your health and fitness, which should be everyone's #1 priority in life, because at the end of the day, without your health, without fitness, without confidence, life's going to suck. So we really want to work on that.